This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Stock rose throughout the day after a potentially major strike in the automotive industry came to an end, and another bland economic report raised hopes again that the Federal Reserve just might cut rates again before the end of the year. Topping the news, the Commerce Department reported that orders for durable goods, everything from commercial jets to home appliances, fell by 4.9% in August. For August, orders for transportation equipment fell 11.2%. That's the biggest setback since January. The weakness was led by a 41% drop in demand for commercial aircraft. In other news today, crude supplies rose for the first time since mid-August, up 1.8 million barrels to put it at 320.6 million for the week ended September 21st. Motor gasoline supplies climbed 600,000 barrels to 191.4 million in the latest week. Distillate stocks were up 1.6 million barrels at 137.1 million barrels. Refinery utilization fell, though, to 86.9% of a capacity of 89.6 just a week ago. United Auto Workers and General Motors have agreed to a tentative contract that ends a two-day national strike, the first against the automaker in 37 years. It also puts responsibility for retirees' health care into the union's hands. General Motors and the UAW confirmed that the deal creates a GM-funded, UAW-run trust to administer retiree health care. Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Christopher Cox told lawmakers on Capitol Hill that the SEC is considering whether credit rating agencies should disclose more information about how they conduct business. Cox testified before the Senate Banking Committee and said the SEC is examining the practices of credit rating agencies. Mortgage Bankers Association reported the volume of mortgage loan applications filed decreased last week to a seasonally adjusted 2.8%, while interest rates on fixed-rate home loans increased. Amazon.com launched its much-anticipated digital music store, a move analysts say represents the first hint of real competition for Apple's market-leading iTunes. The tracks can be copied to multiple computers, burned onto CDs, and played on most types of PCs and portable devices, including the iPod and Microsoft's Zune. And the Hardee's and Carl Jr.'s fast food chains will begin purchasing eggs and pork from suppliers who don't keep animals in cages or crates. Both chains are owned by CKE Restaurants. CKE becomes the second major fast food restaurant company this year to begin moving toward cage-free chickens and pigs. Burger King announced similar changes back in March. In earnings news today, Lennar Corporation reported a record loss of $513.9 million on land value losses in the most recent quarter. Losses for the third quarter amounted to $3.25 per share compared with a profit of $1.30 a share in the 2006 period. GenCorp reported earnings for the quarter were $15.6 million or 24 cents a share. That compared with a loss of $13.1 million or 24 cents in the year ago. And Red Hat said net income for most recent period rose to $19.1 million or 9 cents a share. That compared to a nickel a share in the same period last year. Scheduled economic reports coming out on Thursday include the initial jobless claims for the week of September 22nd, gross domestic product for the second quarter, new home sales for August, and the August Help Wanted Index from the Conference Board. Scheduled earnings reports on Thursday, KB Homes, Charles River Associates, Christopher & Banks, Jabil Circuits, Rite Aid, McCormick, Vail Resorts, as well as the finish line. And we are approaching the finish line in earnings season, so be watching for a new season starting in a couple of weeks. Stocks in the news. Emergent Biosolutions has signed a 3-year contract with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to supply anthrax vaccine for a total value of up to $448 million. MetLife's board approved a $1 billion stock repurchase program, and Nike has unveiled a shoe specifically designed for Native Americans in an effort to promote physical fitness. And that's the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott. This is the James Dix Financial Network.